kağıdı başıma yok. El kağıdı başıma koymayın. Ok, tá dirigindo. Fala, Coringa!
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween. Shut the fuck up.
Making German food. German food? Yeah, we found German tourists. We're cooking them.
Pop, 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 take the guy, shoot myself in here, destroy that guy, pop, 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 grrr, take that guy with an AK-47, grrr, destroy that guy with an Uzi, now I have the Peacemaker, and I see a guy here, shoot a shot, but then I miss it, and I reload, and I come over here, see this guy, hit him once, hit him again, take him out, grrr, destroy that guy, now I have the AK-47, see this guy, grrr, destroy him, got the revolver, destroy that guy, come over here with the shotgun, boom, grrr, and I take both those guys.
And unfortunately, you can't build a tax prison, whereby you lure immigrants into your city with low taxation, then suddenly pump the tax rate to 25, and prevent them from leaving with a double-layer thick perimeter of solid stone. It turns out the desire to emigrate is so strong that people simply phase through walls, reinforcing the theory that even lower on Maslow's hierarchy of needs is the physiological requirement for a human being to evade taxation.
You need to hang up that computer call. Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
Batman, I caught a little Pokemon. Do you want to know what Pokemon I caught?
What Pokemon did you catch, Joker?
I caught a Lopunny, Batman. I caught a Lopunny.
Oh no, Joker.
Don't tell me. You already know that, Batman. You know what I'm gonna do to that thing.
Joker, it's an animal, Joker. You can't.
Batman, there's no laws against the Pokemon, Batman. I can do whatever I want with it.
No, Joker. No, don't do it.
I'm gonna do it,